for trying this at the issue of jurisdiction for being decided as a preliminary issue. In the instant case, it appears that there were two conditions.
You are the tenant.
I am a tenant. I am a tenant. Then another decision of this court, my lords, that is very old decision.
This court
1970.
Allah, sir.
I'm sorry,
Madhya
Rajasthan.
Pradesh.
First one is Rajasthan. High
First
Court.
Rajasthan, next Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya
This is
Pradesh. Kindly see
Karnataka.
para number 8.
Yes.
Para number 3.
Yes, sir.
It is desirable that whenever any question of deciding a preliminary issue arises, trial court should, before deciding it, ascertain from the parties whether they want to lead any evidence on it, and if the party so desires, should give them an opportunity to lead an evidence.
Allah desire. He doesn't desire.
I am desiring, my lords,
No,
to
it
lead
is
an evidence.
desirable, actually.
At my instance, my lords, the preliminary issue is framed. I should be given an opportunity to lead an evidence because, my lords,
My lords, the order of the trial court, in page 18 of the
ಇದೆ,
order,
ಹೇಳಿ.
reasoning, when the rent claimed by plaintiff exceed rupees 2,500 as per section 2
Yes.
E
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 18.
order judgment ಇದು, page number
The civil
18.
court has no jurisdiction, trial should contend ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Plaint ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ actually petition
Plaint government.
ಅಲ್ಲ petition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾ.
order ಇದ್ದು
Petition
in
copy
page-
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
in page 18 of the order, ಬೇಡ, wait it. In page 18 of the order of the trial court.
Why copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸಚಿನ್?
coffee.
ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತರಿಂದ
Notice ಜೊತೆ
pen-
ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
If he doesn't have copy, I can serve.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, order.
ಬೇಡವೇ ಬೇಡ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes.
The court is with me, why should I need a order?
How do you
No, no, trial court order,
presume such things, sir?
trial court order I am talking.
Ah,
My lords, in page 18 of the trial court order.
the plaintiff in his plaint clearly ಅದ.
ಹೌದು.
Ah.
When the rent claimed by the plaintiff exceed rupees 2,500 as per section 2
ಎಲ್ಲಿ? I'm not getting where you're reading, sir.
Para 14 of the impugned order, my lords.
The plaintiff in his plaint clearly stated that the agreed rent as per lease is 2,000 per month, adena?
Correct.
Also, to-
Ah.
one.
The defendant number 1 has paid rent
to him.
to him till 2015 and proceeding, and the preceding month past few years,
Defendant number 1 used to pay the plaintiff monthly rent of
2,500.
2,500. Therefore, on perusal of the above means of the plaint, it is clear that after December 2015, rent payable by defendant number 1 to premises is at rate of rupees 2,500 per month. Wherefore, the rent claimed by the plaintiff exceed rupees 2,000 per month. Defendant number 1 and 2 clearly deny tenancy relationship with the plaintiff and allege lease deed between plaintiff and defendant number 1. When the rent claimed by plaintiff exceeds rupees 2,500 as per section 2E2 of Karnataka Rent Act, and when defendant number 1 specifically denied tenancy relationship with the plaintiff, the alleged lease question applicability of Karnataka Rent Control Act to the present case will not apply. This is a reasoning, my lords.
you have denied relationship.
Yes, my lords.
My lords, I am a defendant. I can always take inconsistent pleas. My lords, plaintiff cannot take inconsistent plea. Defendant
All
can
right.
always take inconsistent plea.
Hmm.
It's a valid defense which is available to the defendant.
Hmm.
My lords, I have specifically stated in the written statement saying that suit is hit by Karnataka Rent Act.
Hmm.
There's a specific element and issue is framed. Considering my stand,
Now that issue is held against you.
which is held against me based on the contention of the plaintiff. I have denied it that the rent is only 2,000, not 2,500. Issue is framed. All that I'm
But you have
requesting.
denied tenancy relationship itself.
My lords, it's a defendant, my lords. What I can impress upon court is that I am being a defendant, I can always take inconsistent stand.
ಈಗ 2,000 2,500
2,500.
ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ,
ಅವ್ರು
ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಹೌದು. Earlier it was-
2,500 ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕದು?
ಇದೇ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Till 2,000 ಆದ್ರೆ 2,000
Up
ರೂಪಾಯಿ
to 2,000 it is rent court,
control.
rent control, yes.
2,000 ಮೇಲೆ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದ್ರೂ it should.
All
it's
that
a
I'm requesting,
jurisdictional
permitted
court.
me to lead an evidence.
Hmm.
My lords may stipulate the time also. I'll lead the evidence on preliminary
Commercial.
issue, my lords, that court decide the issue regarding the preliminary issue. My lords, because my lords, what had happens is that he says it is 2,500. I say it's 2,000 only. For that, my lords, evidence has to be led. Otherwise, my lords,
So do you have any document of 2,500?
no document is produced on record.
ನಂದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ at present situation ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು WSO amendment ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Huh. No, do you have any document of 2,500 payment?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು right now I
You
don't.
get it, we'll see. We'll take it on Thursday. Copy on ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Great, great.
Yes. If he has any document of 2,500,
End of it, my lords. My lords may dismiss my petition.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You produce cross examination, ಇಲ್ಲ document ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Great. My lords may stay the proceedings, my lords.
Yeah.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ
2016 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಈಗ.
ಈಗ issue frame ಆಗಿ evidence ಹೋಗಿ.
ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
Next
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Thursday we'll see.
Great.
Let's heard so and so, next Thursday.
Please.
Yes, Harish.
The last statement, Lord, there was some compromise talks.
Compromise talks, sir.
That the respondents, my lord, were ready to pay some amount to plaintiff share.
Ah.
Now the advocate.
Yes, Leela, sir.
I am not aware about that aspect.
He was advocate change ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Next
That's
week,
okay.
next week ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ.
Date ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Next week ಅಂದ್ರೆ date,
ಮತ್ತೆ
next Thursday.
ಆಯ್ತು.
The
I'll
learned
also come
council,
back I will also come back with the.
learned
terms.
council for the respondent submits the talks of settlement between the parties are on. In that light, which the learned council for the petitioner disputes, but to the disputes and would seek time to secure instructions. List the matter next Thursday.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Yes. None appears list after 2 weeks. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. There has been no representation on behalf of the petitioner continuously, which is discernible from the perusal at the order sheets. Therefore, as a last chance awaiting his appearance, list the matter next Thursday. In the event he would not appear, the petition would be dismissed for its non-prosecution.
No, I appear for the petitioner. Petitioner is plaintiff, my lord. He filed the suit for declaration recovery of possession against quarters who are defendants. Well, the suit was at one stage dismissed, then later restored. And
One stage, why was it dismissed?
because I did not pursue the matter
For default,
for default.
all right.
Then again, it was restored to file. Court
Now what has happened?
Look, again, I examined myself. I'll take your lord, my lord, to,
Yes.
my lord, ink page 6, my lord, my lord, ink page 21.
Where is the order of the trial court?
It is at ink page 16, my lord. When the
16.
relevant portion is